this will probably be me in 5 years naturally. All right, today's gonna be a little different. We're not gonna be doing a haircut or a beard trim, but it is still going to involve the beard, and 'tis the season for this little situation. And what we're gonna do, I mean, you saw from the thumbnail, we are gonna paint the beard white. And I guess this is gonna be more so a product review, whether you're wanting to color your hair white or your beard white. So yeah, 2 birds, 1 stone. We're all gonna try this together. And what we're using today is Salon Graphics High Beams Intense, and the color is number 21 Wicked White. And no, this isn't a sponsored video, but hey, Salon Graphics, if you wanna hook a brother up, depending on whether this is gonna be a good review or not, you know where to find me. All right, so this right here is the product that we are using. Hopefully you can see this all right. And again, Salon Graphics, High Beams Intense, Wicked White. And I guess we're gonna shake this up. I guess before we get into the actual application, I just wanna let you know that I did put some beard balm in my beard and hair. And I did that because I was reading the ingredients on the back of the bottle, and one of the ingredients is alcohol, which, I mean, it's probably not the best for your hair or your beard, but I have seen other products out there that have acetone in them. Nonetheless, I put beard balm in my hair and my beard, and I did that because beard balm has shea butter and beeswax, which I'm hoping will give my hair and beard a little extra protection. Better safe than sorry. At least I'm trying to do something to help prevent any damage. And the beard balm that I'm using today is the Beard Struggle Beard Balm, and the scent of this one right here, this is one of their new scents, Valhalla's Gates. It's a softer, powdery, if you will, sandalwood vanilla smell. It's actually growing on me. At first I was a little kind of tossed off because I like a little stronger scent, and this was relatively soft compared to the others that I use, but it is growing on me. So yeah, Valhalla's Gates, but they do have a bunch of other scents. But nonetheless, the reason why I'm saying that is because I wanted to put a little bit of protection on my hair and beard before putting this on. So we're gonna shake it up a little bit. And I guess I should go over the directions. What do the directions say? Shake well before using. Hold can 10 inches from hair and spray in quick, short bursts. To remove color, brush hair and shampoo thoroughly. So let's get this going. Oh, one other thing. You should use this in a well-ventilated area. So how's that? Well, that was actually, sorry, there's a mirror over here. I don't have a mirror over here. What are you thinking? How are we liking this? I don't know if I can go up close, if it'll actually focus in, but how are we looking here? Dude, this is ridiculous. All right, what are your thoughts so far? What I should have done is I should have done 1/2 and then the other normal, but it's too late now. So we're just gonna have at this. The color's definitely prominent, being that my beard it's almost black, it's a dark brown. What I'm gonna do right now is, actually, I don't even have to head over to this mirror. I'm gonna use this mirror right here. This is legit. Let's see here. Now, my girlfriend has a bit of a Santa Claus fetish. Not Santa Claus, more of an elf fetish, but she loves Christmas. So I think she's really gonna dig this. Let's see here. This is craziness. Okay, so as far as whether or not this works on darker hair, it for sure does. I hope this is showing up okay on camera. But yeah, this is legit. But this right here, I'm having a hard time getting in there. Let's see here. Oh, we're golden or gray. Now, does it look weird, the fact that, so my hair back here is dark, but my beard is gray? I don't know if I should do my whole head or not. I mean, this is for YouTube. And if I want to get those clicks, I might have to do my whole head. The eyebrows I did a little bit. Maybe I don't know if I should do them all the way. What do you think? Should I do the eyebrows? All right, we're doing it. Okay. For those of you out there that may have done this yourselves, let us know if there are any pointers, because I'm just having at this. I'm definitely a rookie when it comes to doing this. But I really don't think it's too bad at all. This will probably be me in 5 years naturally. One thing that I have noticed, I need to figure out how to do this without getting it on my skin, but what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna grab a washcloth and see how easy it'll come off the skin. All right, so in regard to how easy it is to take off the skin, super easy. I used a washcloth with some soap on it, came off right away. Now, as far as texture, the beard, it feels like a tad bit stiffer than it usually does. Not hard, but you can definitely tell there's product in here. And it's not really sticky. Maybe it just feels a little bit thicker and a tad bit stiffer. Maybe like almost like a little bit of a softer wax sensation. So that's the texture of it. Let's check if it does come off on clothing or not. So I have a black shirt right here. Gonna wipe it off on here. And there is some residue that is left behind, so that's one thing to take note of. Probably if you are going to do this, don't wear something that is black. Perhaps you should wear something that is red, perhaps a red jumpsuit. Not too shabby at all. I really do dig this. I like the look. It's not, believe it or not, it's not too overwhelming. It's not a completely unnatural white, if that makes any sense. It does look like I could potentially look like this in maybe like 5 years or so. So yeah, so I definitely have to give this a thumbs up in regard to the product, but now I don't really have anything to compare this to as of yet. Maybe I'll do some more videos like this in the future. But yeah, I hope this helps those of you out that perhaps were wanting to dress up like Santa for maybe a company party or a family party. And in regard to, pertaining to the price, I believe it's $8 a can. I'll have this link below with the exact price and where to get it. And it's a 2.7 ounce can. So yeah, again, Salon Graphics, High Beams Intense, number 21, Wicked White is what we are using on the beard today. All right, so that's gonna do it. I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even think about subscribing. And if there are others that you may think might benefit from this, if they are wanting to color their hair or beard, go ahead and share this. Please helps the channel. And yeah, until next time, peace. We out.